All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome back. I didn't bring a tripod. I didn't bring nothing with me, which is probably one of the biggest things that I should have done. But anyways, man, you gotta take a look at that sky on my vacation and everything like that. That sky is beautiful. Anyways, reason why I am talking on this video, even though I'm on vacation, is because when there is good news regarding the Pixel 6, I want to bring it to you guys. And while this is not going to be unveiling anything completely new to the Pixel 6, like talking about the tensor chip or any of that stuff, let me just go on to say this, though. Those who live in the vicinity of the Chelsea store in New York, you guys are absolutely lucky because you guys get to see the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. Like, really see it. You can't touch it. Like MC Hammer, can't touch this. You can't touch it, but you can see it. How cool is that? Really, dude? How cool is that? That is really, really cool. I mean, able to go, if you stop by the Google store, I was going to call it the Pixel store. But if you stop by the Google store, you can literally see these things on display. That is, in my opinion, that's cool. Good marketing. I mean, Google's just going out the woodwork. Like right after the Apple event, they resurrected the Google Nexus Twitter account just to post one thing in response to the Apple event. That was so cool. Clever marketing, Google. Clever marketing. They went ahead and posted that they would wait for the Pixel 6. It was a great reaction, a great thing to do. To be honest with everybody, like the rise in competition is becoming really, really good. I like what I'm seeing. Like at the Apple event, Apple basically shot slugs under the table in what they were literally doing. Talking about how it was at the part where they were talking about the A15 Bionic chip. What they said and how everyone is playing catch up. They were referencing Google and the tensor chip, and I was like, hey, that's a pretty good thing. You know what? Like, competition is great. Competition sells. You know what I mean? So, Google's response to them on that was they resurrected the Google Nexus account on Twitter just to tweet, I'd wait for the 6. You know, I'm really excited for the release of the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. You know, the marketing, Google said they were gonna, the hype, the marketing and everything for the Pixel 6, they were really gonna go in on it. They really are. They really are going in on the Pixel 6. For the first time, they are pushing for their Pixel device. It's like watching two boxers climb in the ring again. You know, Apple and Google. And this time, you know, the fighter for Google has all the confidence in the world. I'm really liking that. I really am. I mean, yes, what are the new things that we're getting with the Pixel 6? Now that we're on that road to the Pixel 6 and that road is almost done, you know, we have the tensor chip, which goes with their TensorFlow, and that's going to be pretty cool. We have obviously a whole new design that steps away from the design that's recognized by a lot of different brands now. You know, square module on the back and all that stuff. They're kind of done with that. And so we're getting a whole new design. Some like it, some don't. You know, it's not for everybody. Of course, that coupled with Android 12 and the Material UI, you know, all these things play a hand. So Google got me out of bed early at 7:30 in the morning after reading that news. I'm like super excited. So shout out to Google for that one. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, y'all know what to do. Y'all know what to do. Smash the like button. Look at the sky. Like, the morning is amazing, right? I'm gonna head back to my room now, get ready for the day, and y'all be cool. As always, aloha.